Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're in Edmonton and we're going on the road. So guys, just come along with us.
So we're going on the road. First and foremost, we're gonna go and get some Jamaican food. This is something that we don't always have the luxury of doing unless we cook it ourselves.
Yeah.
Or if we go over somebody's house. But to go to a restaurant and get Jamaican food, we don't have that luxury in Grand Prairie. So we're gonna be making use of it today, right? But before we go to the Jamaican spot, we're gonna go to the car wash at the carries. Not in a very good condition right now. Gonna go and get the car wash, and then we're just gonna be linking up with some friends, right? So come along on the journey, guys. The next time you see us, we should be en route to the car wash. Don't forget to like comment.
Subscribe.
You
Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
and become a part of the family. We are almost at 13,000 subscribers, but we can't do it without you. Guys, we're in Edmonton for the weekend. Let's see what Edmonton has to offer. If you're in Edmonton and you're a subscriber of ours, we'd love to meet you. Drop a comment and let's connect. Alright guys, see you guys on the...
This is all we got. Life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down. Make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes. Get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life. Show me love. Make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. Make a change. Time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. 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 Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got.
Guys, so after much weaving and turning, bobbing and weaving, finally made it to a car wash. So we wanted to go to a touchless car wash, and the car wash that we went to first was one of those detailing that you have to do it yourself, and that them the more expensive. So we end up coming to the co-op right now, which is sticking to the evil that we know. But I got questions for all the persons who live in Edmonton. How do you guys manage with all of these driving? Like 15, 20 minutes. Oh, what's your gas bill? It's kind of like, oh, anyways, choices.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. Ooh.
we're about to link up with Colin and Renee. If you don't know who they are, check out From Beaches to Snow on YouTube, where they document their journey living here in Edmonton, Alberta. Came as international student and temporary foreign worker. They have transitioned now over a year now, around a year and a month, year 2 months, thereabout. So we're gonna be linking up with them. We're gonna be going to this Jamaican spot. They have been there before, so they probably either gotten used to it or don't like it. I don't know, but we're gonna try it and give you guys our honest review. Hopefully we like it. We're gonna order a lot of stuff off the menu because we're really hungry as well. So it's a good day for a food review. And we're just gonna chat with Colin and Renee a bit just to catch up and take you guys on the journey. If you're still here, guys, just like, comment, share, and subscribe. The cat dragged in. I like her hair, by the way.
Thank you.
Where did you get that done? Where did you get that done?
Valde, I don't remember the name of the place.
Oh, it's a place.
Yes, it's a hairdressing place. I find the name.
Was it expensive?
No, I think less than 200.
Well, that kind of expensive. I don't know. It's like $40 for trim, man.
No, for trim. $30 for trim, Colin. Yeah.
You get me? But anyways, Renee, Beaches to Snow. If you guys don't know, you should know. I know you know. Check it out. Beaches to Snow. Go over there, give a subscription, and say, hey, they Anderson sent you over here. We're about to go and try some Jamaican food. We are hungry. More so because we took way longer than we have bargained for to get here.
It takes us 30 minutes to get over this side of town.
Yeah, because they're too far.
Southwest?
Yeah.
I thought we're in the nice part of Edmonton.
Well, yes, that's what I hear.
I don't see what's so nice about it, though.
Yeah, it's not.
Don't let them. They're going to hurt the people that feelings
No, but I
on the
don't.
south side.
You know, I can only be honest.
No, it's not hurting. No, I'm not seeing the niceness that everybody said. That's the place to be.
Exactly.
Really,
I agree.
I'm not trying to hurt nobody's feelings, but.
And if your feelings are so easily hurt.
Well, that's
Oh man, what a bad life. Yeah, but we'll drive behind you guys.
Yeah.
During a certain time of the day, them can't tow your truck.
I get $100 ticket.
$100 ticket.
There's a
can't
bus
pay
stop
that,
right there.
you know?
Says a case for them tell you about this place, sir. With us, because a habit.
You have to come around.
Just come around here.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, they're just right there.
Yeah, we're gonna go and get some food. Malia, want some food? Wake it. So we're at a Yummy the Caribbean restaurant. You shout out to them. And we're here with the Anglins, Colin and Renee, Beaches to Snow. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you know. I'm videoing, by the way. Is that okay? Yeah? Okay. That's okay. So, alright. So, we're from Grand Prairie, right? So, we don't have a Jamaican restaurant in Grand Prairie. So, it took us like 5 hours to get here.
Wow.
So, what's on the menu?
We have color salvage finish, ackee and savage finish. So we have curry goat, oxtail, jerk chicken, manish water, red pea soup. Fish is done to order, curry chickpeas, brown stew chicken.
That's why you look so happy. Why you look so happy? Why you look so happy?
I heard they say that something about peanut butter.
Oh, lunch is on me, by the way.
You have peanut
Yeah.
So we have peanut porridge.
Yeah.
And we have banana dumpling and yam.
Yo.
The fish, you can do fish and bami, escabeche, brown stew or steam. Yeah.
Alright, so here what we want to, as a starter. I want a red pea soup to start.
Okay. Small or large?
You have medium?
No man, only 2 sizes. Small
The
or
thing is, I
large.
don't want the large because I want food too, right? So I'll
Alright,
probably
so we
just
can get
probably
a
just take a
small
small. You have patty?
And we have patty, we have
Alright, I want a small with a
spicy.
patty to start. Spicy.
You want full house, cheese? Of course, we have cocoa bread.
No, I
You
don't
think
want.
we have flan restaurant?
Get the cocoa ready for you, leave?
You know, like Edmonton people are
When they don't come in, we run up the menu to one, you know.
And they say, oh, I don't want to go like our first in my year. So I don't want a full house, I just want a beef spicy with a small red pea soup to start. I'll take that for myself. And then you say oxtail, curry goats.
Jerk chicken, jerk pork. And you can do a combo, you can do a 2-meat combo.
I'll take curry goat with jerk chicken, rice and peas.
Only small or large?
One part?
Yes, you can get
I'm gonna take a food shot because I large.
We have curry goat, we have fried chicken, jerk chicken, red peas, beef,
Take the mix up there.
jerk chicken and curry.
Don't take off the jacket. You don't want the jacket.
You're gonna
Oh,
do
that's-
one bill?
Yeah, one bill, yeah.
And what for your side for what for your side for the jerk chicken and curry goat? Plantain or fried?
Let's change my one to
I'm not gonna lie.
Dumpling and yam.
Cause right now I'm confused. I don't know what to get, by the way. Like,
Banana.
no, so we thought they should finish with this first to get confusing.
Listen.
You know how many kilo, yeah? Oh gosh, man. Yeah.
You're probably gonna want to repeat that bill for me, because I think we're probably
Oh, you
missing
want the bill
something.
first?
No, in terms, I just want to make sure that we got everything.
No problem.
Yeah.
I will do that for you. You want more napkins? Sure.
Because I don't want anything to get missed.
Alright, you're welcome. Alrighty, so I have a small porridge. For her now is the oxtail with food and plantain for the side. One small fried chicken with fries.
Not fried chicken. Oh, yeah. Yeah, for her.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but fried chicken with fries and then a small fries.
Yeah.
A small soup, which is the red pea soup. One patty. One large goat soup.
Goat soup? Not goat soup. Oh, okay, yeah.
And,
Manish water. Oh, that's what it is.
and then yours is a jerk chicken with curry goat. Dumpling for your side. Or plantain.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, man, you get rice and peas. All the meats are served with rice and peas. You just have the choice of side.
So I'll try the dumpling for sure, yeah.
For dumpling, and for your same thing, curry goat and jerk chicken with dumpling for your side. And Renee, you have a oxtail with fried chicken or coleslaw for your side.
Everybody here what I want? Yeah? So what are we drinking?
Yeah, we have mango, carrot, pineapple, ginger, sorrel ginger. We have the pineapple guava. Those are the ultra-rare fruit drinks. We have team greener, pink. We have apple J.
I'll take one of those guava thingy.
Pineapple guava.
Yeah, that's what you guys drinking.
Pineapple guava. We have coconut water, Nutriment, ginger beer, Malta.
One more of that as well.
Champagne.
Vanilla champagne.
Yeah, but don't take out mine, yeah?
Alright.
And
Alright, so take and a cola champagne for you.
And I'll
what
take
for the kids?
that's one more. What are we gonna
So
get?
we rather than the sodas, we have a pineapple Fanta for kids.
But that's soda too, right?
And it's
Oh, we have just in the car.
one
The
of
car is
them.
around
So
there.
yeah, Arnie can.
You know what I'll take? I'll take a. Do you have water?
Yeah, well,
I'll take a bottle of water.
Or
You have room temperature water? I'll take a room temperature water.
for sure.
Yeah.
about 5 minutes of the road.
Okay. We're probably serving them.
Walking across the road. And they have dogs.
Yeah.
And all them little stuff there. Man, I say, yo, I'm not going to try to do.
Yeah. It wasn't even just about that though. Like I remember like when you're just like about to start driving or you're nervous and stuff and like winter and stuff, and I'm telling you that no, just chill, it's just like you do it a couple times and then it just comes natural. Because driving is driving, right? Exactly.
What the difference is over here, so construction season.
That is it.
And I even teach me for the first time parking.
Oh yeah, sir.
Sorry.
Sorry, Mama. Thank you. So that's that, and it's a 4 per later.
Small.
That is it.
The large soup.
Guys, I know the feeling of craving something for a while, and then the feeling of getting it. You look on my face right now.
You see, that's might not start himself in the thing.
You want to talk about it after? No worries, I'm not adding that over this. So I can touch it.
You never asked me that, so I wonder myself, so we asked she what she was doing.
Yeah.
But we vent.
Immigrants.
I just I like a track.
I don't know where I look on it.
I understand, man. I can't take it personal line.
No, listen, the first, when he does something,
You take it very personal line.
Crime scene. You want to see this on the south side?
so it's like, okay, go on.
Traffic. Yeah. Traffic.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Everybody on the front there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never go pause a little and then move on to the. It's nice. I need chicken.
So this is a side effect of eating too much. But you have to eat up all that food though. But you empty the bowl of porridge. Honest review, how was the porridge?
Excellent.
Yeah?
I can't roll my eyes.
What porridge is good?
Excellent.
Honest review, how was the food?
The upstairs needed something. But it was okay. Can eat nice, but it needed something. I don't
Need
know
some
what
love?
it is. Maybe.
Maybe. It just tastes like a commercial upscale kind of thing, like
Yeah.
cooking for commercial purposes and not like
Yeah.
cooking
I'm
at
not
home.
sure what. Yeah.
Gotcha. But I understand, I see my curry goat taste. I understand for sure. So it took everything out of me to do this video right now because I'm feeling similarly like how Nancy's feeling, but the food, it's always good to get a taste of food. And yeah, we're not gonna get that authentic, original Jamaican taste. I don't think we're gonna get that anywhere we go here in Canada, but I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10 for the food. The soup, I got some red pea soup, and that soup was probably like 8 out of 10. But nuts porridge. Nuts porridge, I'll probably give that a 10 out of 10 as well because it was excellent. Peanut porridge, we have to take one to go. The good thing is that there's options, right? So you have like you had like other options like jerk chicken, curried goat, manish water, stuff like that. So if you don't like one thing, you can try something else. Oh yeah, I did try a patty. Yeah, nothing compared to juicy beef and tasty's patty. So kind of like a foreign patty, but it's okay. So of course you guys have been here before. Them know Renee by name. They say, oh, it's Renee. But I don't know. What I want to know is not only what you guys think about the food, but what do you guys think about having access to Jamaican culture? Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. It's amazing.
Amazing. As I can tell, regular here, they know what's my name.
But I never know your name though.
No.
To be honest, but I know your
I'm
name.
always call. Whenever we order, I'm always call.
Actually, no, because in Jamaica it was the reverse. You know, so right, it's a big radiating kind of thing. Listen, the fried dumpling to me was soups are always good here as well.
Okay.
Yeah. I think the chicken soup, or what I probably said, the red pea soup. The red pea soup is a lot better to me. To me, that's the best out of all of them.
Red pea soup?
Yeah.
Me too. Well, I didn't taste the manish water, but red pea soup was good. So, does it like? So, one of the things that most people miss when they leave them home countries is the food, of course.
Definitely.
Like for us, we don't have access to Jamaican food readily. If we seek it, we can probably find it once in a while from the same person. But we don't really have something like this 24/7, right? So does having something like this like allow you not to miss home as much, or what do you think?
It kind of a stopgap.
Yeah.
But you know, say like not better than like cook shop.
Trust me.
But I mean,
Cook shop never we
But I
used
go
to
cook
go.
shop still, right? That you know, the show's over, you know.
The
Yeah.
party place them, tasty party people.
Guys, drop a
Right?
comment if you're watching from Jamaica. Tasty, you know what? I'm gonna do a poll on my community tab. Tasty juicy beef for mothers. And anybody who say mothers, I'm just saying in advance. You guys are gonna hear from me.
Anybody who's a juicy beef,
probably hear from me.
But yeah, I don't know. I gave the food probably like 8 out of 10. I don't think it was party. I don't think it's a wow. I don't think I was wowed by the food. The porridge was you wowed by the what? So that's what put you to sleep right now? The porridge was very good though. The soup was good, but the food itself wasn't wow. It was good, but it wasn't wow. Like the curry goat could have taken a little bit more spice. Yeah, a little bit more pepper.
yeah, bear in mind that because we're over here, it has to be a little, you know.
Water though.
Yeah, I got too spicy.
So instead of putting 1 cup of water, I put in 2 cups of water.
No, because I mean, you're dealing with the community, so you have to widen the.
Of course, and probably the Jamaican or Caribbean community is not enough to turn a profit, so you have to make sure that it's edible all across different communities.
But out of 10 though, I would say, to be honest with you, because we've been here more than once, I would say 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
You could have.
Yeah, I'm not in my ship from 8 for now, but room for in the future. Yeah, I don't think it was terrible to the point that I won't come back, but the food wasn't wow. But it was good to at least taste Jamaican food. Put it that way. Malia, what do you think about the food? And then Malika right here. So what this says, you guys ready to leave?
Oh, you took the chicken season thing.
Oh, so this is, you got some East Indian mangoes. Babes, look here. Look here. Hey guys, so we're in this, is this a Jamaican or just a Caribbean? What is it? The Jamaican spot? Both?
Can I buy some green banana?
Got some green banana, ginger, authentic ginger, plantain. You guys been here a while or just recent?
Yeah, a long time.
Long time? That's it. Are you camera shy? Yeah. Oh, he's not camera shy. You're the owner? You can't be the owner, camera shy. That's okay. You guys are open on Sundays? You guys are open on Sundays? Just Monday to Saturdays? I don't know if I want to cook nothing. Can you give me?
With your camera. Come invite them over today now.
So, I'm gonna let you introduce yourself.
Oh Lord, I'm Lakeisha. Living in Edmonton. How long now? From 2021.
Okay, so
August.
3 years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had my journey, my pretty girl, my journey from doing academic upgrade till me reach Northwest. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know.
I always see you comment on our videos.
Yeah.
Fuller.
Yes.
Even this morning you commented and I'm like,
Yeah. I said carry your
that's
mango, get your
crazy.
mango. Come to the camera and say, you know what? I'm not come out this time, you know. Come like every time I come to start talk, I'm not stop talk. Yes,
Yeah.
I'm finally. I in Mr. We had exams.
Yeah, exam.
I were in line and we did it and I talk, and I said, Lord Jesus, we're going to exam now.
Mhm.
But I'm glad we finally meet her. You know how long am I supposed to meet her?
Yeah? There she is. This is Renee.
This is where I should be.
Exactly.
On the roadside.
This is where we're supposed to meet.
On the roadside of Edmonton.
Become answer, we just get to party. That's all. Because and I see a message say we'll meet up.
Yeah.
Say, I'm not gonna meet them. I'm coming back to Calgary tomorrow. I'm not staying here.
For the long weekend?
Myself. See over there Monday then? No, we are going to Calgary Zoo and
Yeah.
we're going to just enjoy ourselves.
Come here,
Come let me
Malika.
give you a hug up. Come. Yeah, lift up.
This is Malika.
Malika, are you already
Malia.
here? She said, what's that? She said, no, her name is not Nats, her name is Molly. I said, look at Oh, Jesus.
That's her.
Last night I missed the whole thing. Roast corn and jerk chicken on the grill.
Roast.
Last time and if I knew you were there, would I invite you
We came from last night, actually. We were here from yesterday.
Roast corn on the grill.
Well, it was raining yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last night. You know,
Because they were
What
supposed to.
medicine they go, that medicine.
You know,
oh
March
my
to the
gosh.
last.
Not even cough, but not cough much again.
Turn on
Yeah, very good.
Turn on the humidifier, but warm and
Mhm.
high and
Wake up this morning, different people.
different.
Yeah.
So this is the Edmonton Massive.
Yes.
Oh man. You know, I always like coming to Edmonton because you do have good people in Edmonton, but you know what? It's too big of a city for us, man. Like why does everything take 30 minutes to get here? Right?
More to explore. More to explore.
But when you live here, it's not really exploring because you get used to it, right?
No, I mean
we're still not exploring.
every day is a new adventure.
Well,
In other words, I'm trying to get you guys to move to Grand Prairie.
Well, we were gonna come there when we went to Grand Catch. We
Yeah.
went and we said, all right, we're gonna look for them.
That's just like a hour and a half.
Yes, I go look
2
for
hours
them. So
from,
I look, I said, I got 2 more hours.
2
and we
hours,
just drive 5 hours. I said, we
Well,
can't manage it at
If
all.
you drive the speed limit, it's 2 hours,
Yeah,
but
but
if you skate,
we're going that way
if you
again.
skate for the toll, it's
We're going that way. Yeah, we're going to visit one church on that side. You know, tell us we're pastors. My husband pastors. They're
Yeah.
supposed to reach to the church.
Yeah?
Reach, yes.
What's the name of your church? Is it in Edmonton?
Yeah, it's Edmonton.
Well, you're not going to church tomorrow.
Yeah, going to church
Well, we're
tomorrow.
going church clothes.
All right, when I can't come.
Well,
Everybody come.
before I come in, what time does church start?
Church start 11:30.
Oh, one of them church. I'm okay.
11:30.
It used to be 12:30, but
Yeah, 11:30.
11 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's okay. As long as it's not 9 o'clock. All right.
No, sir.
8 o'clock. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You say, come let me know if you ever. All the little one there, she grows so big. Oh my goodness. So they get party?
Yeah.
We had a meal.
What quite a lot to eat.
This place sell the party different from the restaurant.
Really?
That's true.
Yeah, that's why I'm buy a case. Come in, I was like, come buy party. I should have been.
Let me ask you this. Let me ask you this.
Yeah.
And be careful with what you answer.
Oh yeah, because we are
Taste
party.
this juicy beef or mothers.
You know, I'm a tasty person.
Thank you.
But me take the juicy beef because.
All right.
Yeah.
So we're in the same position.
You know the reason I take the juicy beef? Because remember, you know, when I left Jamaica, I went to Turks and Caicos for 17 years
Okay.
and then come here.
Gotcha.
So that's all we had was juicy beef.
But what about mothers?
Me's not a mother's party person.
Neither am I.
Me's not a mother.
You know what? As long as it's a tasty
What do you
first.
say?
You know what? We take the win with that.
Yeah, as long as it's a tasty
We
first.
take the win with the tastes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you plan to go in Edmonton? Where you
So
going?
we were planning to do like we wanted to do an open house today. That's not gonna happen. Well, tonight we're not sure where we're gonna go, but I want to do something tonight. Not sure where yet. Colin said he has a spot.
No, it's not.
Now because Pastor here, you know, you have to change the hotel.
I check on it. It's not happening this weekend.
And we're here
We can't
until
find the next
we're here until Monday at least.
Yeah, because
Unless we extend our time because there's so much to do in Edmonton. Like we wanted to go to the
Exactly.
and my
aquarium.
daughter finally graduating too.
Yeah?
Let me tell you something.
Oh, so you
proud of
messaged me on
so
Instagram?
proud of you.
You
Me
messaged me
tell
on
you, just
Instagram.
continue.
You messaged me on Instagram.
Yeah.
I replied to you.
Yeah, I saw the
Yeah.
message. Yeah.
Yeah.
So she, you know, She have 2 jobs. That's why
Yeah.
I'm coming back Monday before 3 o'clock.
Uh,
But you know, she tell me say you go but come back by 3. I say, oh my God, Mr. Mikisha, we have a life. Why you take the Monday work?
so why are you going to Calgary though? Like,
We're going to see Calgary Zoo for the first time.
gotcha. Well, it's much bigger than Edmonton.
Yeah, we
so.
went to
Oh,
Edmonton
we
Zoo.
still not reach Edmonton Zoo, yes.
And we went to there's an airplane place.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Kingston right here.
Yeah, me and my husband go
Still not
there.
reach here.
That's nice. Nice little place to go visit.
Yeah?
My husband I spend the whole time just look on all the things and say,
And it's close to downtown.
it's very, we just
Yeah.
pass it.
Okay,
should just
we can
try
do
it
that tomorrow.
over there. Yeah. I don't know if they're open tomorrow.
Like, why is nothing open on a...
Maybe you
Sunday.
should try coming like Jamaica. Everything closed up on Sunday.
Exactly.
Mainly the government places.
Yeah.
Yeah. But business places are most business places.
Yeah. See, this is the benefit of coming from a place like Grand Prairie. I see everybody have on them sweater and look at me.
I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick. No, I don't even wear hats.
Yeah?
Right now, I'm outside with hat.
I just wondering that our phone name is through you, and I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, and our phone was through because everybody only one.
Who's that?
Canadian,
Who's that?
in Toronto, man. Canadian,
something,
Christina.
Oh,
Yeah, because
I
that's how
stole
we
my
went for
Canadian
my
immigrants.
daughter to come here.
Yeah.
And then you went to an interview on her, and
Yeah.
that's how we connected.
Yeah.
You can't give me phone.
So I get a party.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Him draw me to Freshie this
I wanna
morning.
see you
He
guys
draw
on the
me to
street
Freshie
most of
this
the time.
morning. I him said everything with them by me want it.
Well, I was you know, I was fresh, you know.
It was good. But by the rock thing, but by the buffalo rock.
Yeah.
The other thing was good.
The like it was surprisingly good
Yes, with the
because
peanut spicy thing.
because like when you hear healthy food you're thinking bland, blah. But when I tasted it I'm like, we can't eat this.
2 boxes of patty we buy. We carried to church last week. Everybody scream out for you too. From Toronto.
Yeah?
Yeah, Ontario. patty.
I'm gonna take me alone can run through that too.
ready?
So, what, you wanna jump to Malika? Yeah, it was nice to meet you guys. You sent me the church address, so I might stop by tomorrow.
No, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We might tomorrow.
Nice. We might go tomorrow. How long is the service?
But it's not finished by 1:15 because I'm
That's
going
not bad. That's
Calgary.
like
I'm going Calgary.
no. I asked because like Malika can't like stay stationary like for too long. So
Are you meet some other yes, I'm going to say that they're going to come tomorrow because it was last week we met them here.
yeah.
Last week before last Saturday we met them here and them say, yes, we know them. So I say what them say yet. And them say, alright.
I'm so
and
surprised.
They just moved from Nova Scotia.
Yeah,
Here.
I'm so surprised because even the lady who works in the store, she recognized me and she's like,
Yeah,
I watch you guys all the time, and I'm like,
guys.
you guys are making me feel like a celebrity. No, we should definitely move to Edmonton because no one knows us in Grand Prairie.
And then you went to South. We used to live in South, you know, but
Yeah.
distance to come to town for school and everything. Yeah.
It's so far, man.
We had to
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have visitors coming tomorrow.
Well, we'll stop by tomorrow. Yeah. As I said though, I'm not gonna probably can't stay the full 2 hours because she's gonna get frustrated like after like an hour.
And there's
So like
also a park on the outside
Good.
so you can carry them and walk.
Good.
Because even a couple they're what's the community need? We have it in the center.
Yeah.
Never send it back to you.
Yeah.
It's close to
No, downtown.
Maybe below there.
Across from Nate.
Yeah, it's like probably 2 minutes from there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have the address for sure, so they text me. Yeah. You want jump, Malia?
And then them have the slide, they can slide and enjoy themselves afterwards.
Yeah, because she has a lot of energy to burn. Yeah.
Like how she just grew up and she just, you know.
Yeah. That's right. Terrible two though. Terrible twos.
I've been there. I have a 16-year-old and a 23-year-old.
Yeah.
I've been there, but we're going through a different phase now.
Yeah. Easy Street. You guys are on Easy Street now.
Delivery guy came today and was looking for me. So he had a package for me, right?
Amazon.
So he met my daughter.
Yeah.
He says, I'm looking for your husband.
Yeah.
She's like, husband?
No, it's my father. It's my father. He said,
What?
Because looking at him, you're telling him, you're telling him,
so we all look like sister and brothers in the house.
Actually, you kind of low-key look like my father too still. Right? Yeah.
The secret to it is just always laugh, always be happy.
Yeah. No, honestly speaking.
Daddy should get so fine.
Who's that?
She dance. That's my daughter.
Ah.
I guess who again?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely pass through tomorrow. We'll definitely stop by tomorrow.
It's really nice to connect with you guys.
100%. I will appreciate it.
Yeah, you're in my house every day.
Yeah?
So you're inside my house every day.
But you
Night and day.
I just actually.
be calling me see him at school. I said, what? I was like, everybody said, I know me.
So, well, you guys going to Calgary tomorrow? Because if you weren't going to Calgary tomorrow, you'd have to cook and invite us over. But you're going to Calgary.
We'll go play, we're at the church. But we always have food at church. So.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So don't eat breakfast.
Always cooking.
Yeah.
If it's not porridge, it's soup, it's
Okay.
Always cooking.
something going on.
I'm still thinking myself that this one
Roast
suit me.
cut. I don't see it.
Because actually sit me again.
You know what, bro? That's where there's going to be other opportunities, right?
Yeah, you catch at the
You guys should drive to Grand Prairie.
As I said to her.
Well, almost.
We went to Grand Catch about 2 months
Yeah.
ago. Yeah.
Was
So
like,
we come close to you, pretty much.
You guys should come to Grand Prairie. Definitely come to Grand Prairie.
Plan up together.
Yeah. You guys think that we don't got...
In June again, we're going to the church cornerstone in June. Grand Catch, so we'll just.
Do you guys think that we don't have anything to do in Grand Prairie? Is that it?
No.
Just
I've
asking.
seen your vlogs.
Just checking.
My sister-in-law is coming up soon now with all the changes. I tell her to live in Grand Prairie, you know. Yeah, because with all the changes, you need to look
She's
somewhere.
coming as a student?
She haven't decided whether student or what.
Yeah.
But you have to do something.
That's it.
Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love.
We're going to a hair store. We are in Edmonton and I decided to get a few stuff before back to Grandperry. And as you can see, yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. Look how cushy here. Whoa, and it brand. Another brand. Oh gosh. Shake on something. I don't even know where to start. I just want some earpiece. Oh gosh. The braid in ear. Oh gosh. Oh my. Oh gosh. I want an eco gel. That is one. Like if I catch on my ear, it help keep it on. The cream. The cream. Not for everybody. Me use it, but the thing is because the time. I have the dreadlocks, the big ones. Oh gosh. So much options. Me lost. I know. Oh. Yeah, all a long time twisting. More ear cream. Yeah, go back natural? Why? One. Oh my gosh. I don't know what people be doing. Hi guys, I decided to get some braiding hair, ear cream, and something for my wig, hair treatment, and a detangler for the kids. Oh yes, I'm very in a hair store in Edmonton. Hello. She's showing me around.
I like your shoes, Monica. Guys, this vlog is all over the place. I know we're catching back the vlog at a very weird point. We're climbing a set of stairs. You guys may be wondering what's going on. We actually more stairs? Oh. We're actually going on a night out and we parked in underground parking. So we have to climb the stairs. So it's the same crew here. Ready? Nuts, Colin, myself. Don't watch the shares at night. Anybody who comment and say, hey, watch them wearing shares at night.
Can you see? That is the first thing. Coming down.
No, it's tiny shoes this. Let's see if I can see.
You can see?
I can see. No, let's walk through the hustle and bustle. So I put. Yeah. I shares that bit to me. No, glasses. You might wear glasses. So apparently the Oilers had a game today. So it's fairly busy because they apparently won. Right? So if they lost, what would have happened?
Oh, we'd have been quiet.
Would have been quiet.
Very quiet.
But instead it's buzzing. Okay guys, I'm gonna take off the shoes before I trip. Yeah, and there we have it. And the Lord said let there be light. It's now 10 p.m. at night, in case you guys are wondering. So we parked and we're just walking. Where do you guys say we're going? Up the road?
No, no.
Down the road? Nightlife in Edmonton, guys.
It's supposed to be crazy.
There's another game on Monday?
Yeah. Playoff is sign out game 7.
Yeah. Oh, but Greta buzzing, man. Greta has all the fans. Oh. Believe me, we know that kind of vibe all too well.
There's a fire truck driving around, just blowing on. That's all.
That's all it is?
That's all.
So they mean I foolishness too?
That's how one of them rules things so.
This is one thing Edmonton have over Grand Prairie. Tall buildings. Well, no, we have one tall building. Woo! Go Storm! Excitement tonight, too. I'm an Islanders fan. Get my Islanders jersey.
It's so funny. It's like it's so not like this. It's like the first thing.
What are so different than the young them?
That's rare, by the way.
Yeah?
Sardines are happening right now.
I know. Oh, let's go. Oh, so we're good? Come over to know we're good. I thought we were waiting to cross the road. For the excitement. Yes, guys, so we're gonna call this a night. It's now midnight. I feel cold. Yeah. It's past their bedtime. Yeah? All about the mom life. Yeah. Heading home now, guys. Heading to the spot that we're staying right now, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. A whole bunch of nothing. But still subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you guys in the next video.